So here's another option for how to do a linear regression. This is a website that has a linear regression calculator that you can use. So let's see. So in one of these columns, we're going to do the x values. So what you can do, if you got your spreadsheet, you can highlight all of these. And then if you do Control C or Command C, you're going to do the copy function. And what you can do is go over to the website here. And if you paste or do Control V, or you can also do Command V if you're using a Mac. V is in Victor. So you can put all the X values in one list. And then here we can do Control C, copy those, put them over here, Control V. And so then what you can do is down below here, you've got this little button, calculate the regression equation. So let's go ahead and do this. So you can see here, it drew a very nice graph for us. So it's got all the points plotted, and it's got the trend line already drawn for us. Here it's using the terms independent and dependent. As I mentioned before, explanatory variable is another word for the independent variable. Response variable is another term for the dependent variable. So dependent is also called the response. Independent is also called the explanatory. Let's see. Up here, they're giving you the equation for the line. This is the same y equals mx plus b equation that Excel gave us. So that's a good sign. If we look down here in the calculation summary, let's see if it gives us, let's see. Let's see. I'm not seeing an R value, which is a bit disappointing. So, so I might need to poke around a little more. The stuff for the R values is actually what the topic is for next week's homework. So we actually aren't quite there yet. The main thing you need to know for the homework for the week 11 module is you just need to know how to get the equation. There's some questions about terminology and stuff. What's explanatory? What's response? And then they also have questions where like they'll give you an X value. You have to plug in the X value and find a Y that goes with it. Sometimes they'll have questions where they give you a Y value and you have to do a little bit of algebra to solve for the X and find the X that would go with the Y. So those are the different kinds of things that's with the homework for week 11. I will poke around and see if I can find something that will also calculate the R value for us. It's a bit disappointing that this one is not giving it to us, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it next week, because next week's when that comes up.